Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting a Python course in which I'll teach you from the basics to the advanced level. This videos is for beginners, and if you master this course and watch my videos and practice the given practice sets which I will be giving you, then you will be mastering the Python in few months. So let's go into the video, and I will make the playlist of the videos which I am making in parts, and I'll explain each chapter and concept of Python in each video in parts so that you can easily learn it. And I'm starting the video. In this video I'm going to show you what is programming and why we should learn Python. So this is the first video of Python, so I'm giving the introduction of programming and why Python coding. So let's go into programming first. So if there are two men and talking to each other, if they are talking in English, Hindi or Telugu, they may be knowing the language so that one person knows the language and other person also knows the same language so that they can communicate with each other. But if we take the computer sequence, computer don't know our language and we don't know the computer's language, so we use programming or coding languages like Java, PHP, HTML, CSS, Python, etc. to communicate with computer, and it gives the output if we provide it input. So now I'll tell you why to learn Python. Python is a popular programming language and was created and released in 1991. From the release date, it has been very popular and it is used by many developers in the world now. And I'll tell you what can Python do. It can be used to make web applications, websites, and it can be used to algorize softwares or create workflows. It can connect to database systems. It can also modify or edit or create files, and it is used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Example like Bitcoin digging. You may be aware of this Bitcoin digging. So Python can also be used for rapid prototyping and for production ready software development. These words may be complex to the beginners who are listening it the first time, but later on you will be knowing the Python's significance. So next, why Python? So I'll tell you advantages of Python. It works on all the platforms in which you are using. Many members may using Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. So it will be working on all devices. It is simple. It is very simple as our English. So if you know the English language, the basics also, you can start coding Python. It is not as difficult as Java, C, C++, and it can do the work in one word. If you want to print hello world in Java or C, you need to write 4 lines of code, but in Python you can write only one word called print hello world, and the output will be printed in your terminal. So that's why it is one of the main advantage of Python. And Python runs on interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. There is no need of waiting minutes, seconds, and the Python code will be executing very fast in your interpreters. If you download Python, the interpreter will be inbuilt. So I recommend you to use the interpreters which are given by Python. Because if you go for PyCharm, VS Code Studio, etc., it will be a complex one because you are a beginner. So I'll show you pictographical uses of Python. As you can see, there are many languages which are available in our world right now. But as you can see here, usage percentage of growth is more and much for Python. Many children also are starting to learn Python because of its advantages and uses. There are many job opportunities also with Python, so I recommend you to learn that. And I am going to teach you full Python you need to know to start coding in Python. And advantages of Python, as you can see, it is fast developing language, easily compatible, and it can be shared to anyone, and they can edit your Python code also. And extensive libraries, only few lines of code is needed to print the your code, but in Java or C it will take much logic and much code to print the output. It is object oriented and extensible, and Python is mainly used for the data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. These are the things which are much growing in our world day to day. Artificial intelligence is purely based on Python. Python is really helpful in artificial intelligence. It will be giving commands to the robots, machines, etc. So it will be very simple to code many artificial intelligence related IoT things, etc. if you learn Python. So these are advantages of Python. And from next video, I'll go into detail each and every concepts like strings, booleans, data types, structures. I'll explain in detail. So if you did not subscribe my channel and watching my video for the first time, please go and subscribe my channel, and I'll upload next video in 2 to 3 days. So thank you for watching.